In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find out the exact version of Microsoft Word you are using on Windows. Knowing your version can be crucial, especially when installing updates or troubleshooting compatibility issues. So let's dive right into the steps to identify your Word version. First, you'll want to start by opening Microsoft Word on your computer. Once you have Word open, direct your attention to the top left corner. Here, you'll see a tab labeled File. Go ahead and click on that. This will open a menu with various options. The next thing you'll do is look for an option labeled Account. If you're using an older version of Word, this might be labeled as Help instead. Either way, click on the appropriate option. This will take you to a new screen that provides various details about your account and subscription if you have one. Now, what you're looking for on this screen is something called About Word. This section is situated under the header labeled Product Information. Here, you will immediately be able to see the broad details of your Word version, like whether you are using Microsoft 365, Word 2019, or another version. But what if you need more specifics? Right under the main version label, there's an option that says About Word. Click on this, and you will be presented with a more detailed window. This pop-up will provide you with the exact version number of Word that you are running. It will include info such as the build number, which can be really useful if you need to report a problem or just want to check for the latest updates available for your particular version. At this stage, your task of identifying your Word version is complete. Just remember these simple steps for the next time you need to check your version details or help someone else find theirs. Also, it helps to note that having the exact version number handy is quite beneficial when you're working with varying types of Word documents, especially if you collaborate with others who may use different features available on different versions. And there you have it. You've successfully learned how to find out what version of Microsoft Word you're running on a Windows computer. Stick around for future videos where we'll show you more tips and tricks to get the most out of your Word experience. Thanks for watching, and happy word processing!